Buddy. Plug mo na natin yung mga pwestahan.
Okay, natin pa pasukan nga.
Center stage, Candy.
Ano mas okay?
Vibe.
Imagery, nasa 11:15 to 12.
Why? You're probably asking, why are we doing this? You know, why are we doing this?
We at Look Retail, we strive to become your partner in empowering you to continue to pursue your passion, hone your ASI for making all this happen.
We also have Sony Music and Warner. Guitarist, bassist, meron siyang drummer and keyboardist. Parang yan, yung apat na yun. So,
all aesthetics come in, right? Kasi naisip mo yung brand mo, so it got even to a point where naging luxurious yung dating niya.
Okay. So we're in the Conservatory of Music, and we're
if you're in the level of
So yung album na yun, kung narinig ko sa wow.
It becomes a hit. I mean, that means it resonated with a lot of people. But
Caught in the act.
Music masterclass video. So all of you, or most of you, were taking videos earlier. You can watch the whole thing. All right.